After the third consecutive win, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, along with all his ministers, are set on the path of bringing change and progress to the country. After taking his oath as Prime Minister, Modi made his first visit to his parliamentary constituency, Varanasi. Hello and welcome to Krishi Jagran Business. This video is powered by Still. I am Shruti Savaria, and in today's video, we will tell you about the Prime Minister's first visit and the special steps taken by the government to uplift farmers and women of India. The Prime Minister visited Varanasi today for his first tour. After arriving at Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport in Babatpur and being welcomed there, he headed to his venue, the Kisan Sammelan. There, he interacted with the farmers. The special highlight of this Sammelan was the release of the PM Kisan 17th installment. This initiative is expected to benefit over 2 lakh farmers in the region, amounting to over 20,000 crores. The Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi is a central sector scheme aimed at supplementing the financial need of all landholding farmers with certain exclusion based on higher income status. To date, the government has disbursed over 3.0 lakh crores to more than 11 crore farmers nationwide. The PM Kisan 17th installment will raise this total to over 3.24 lakh crore, benefiting 9.26 crore farmers with a single click from the Prime Minister. Under the scheme, the eligible farmer families are provided a benefit of Rs 6,000 per year in 3 equal installments of Rs 2,000 each every 4 months. The benefit is transferred directly to the bank accounts of eligible beneficiary through direct benefit transfer mode. After taking the oath, PM Modi took his first step and signed the documents for the approval of PM Kisan 17th installment, which will improve the lives of our country's farmers. This installment also underscores the government's commitment to the welfare of farmers, reflecting Prime Minister Modi's continued prioritization of agriculture. Besides this, during a press conference, Agriculture and Farmer Welfare Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan also spoke about this news and expressed gratitude to Prime Minister Modi for his trust and support in the agriculture sector. He described serving agriculture and farmers as akin to worshipping God. Chauhan highlighted the role of Krishi Sakhis, trained female farmers acting as para-extension workers who were recognized during the event. These women, part of a larger goal to create 3 crore Lakpati Didis, have been instrumental in supporting fellow farmers and earning additional income. As on date, over 34,000 Krishi Sakhis out of 70,000 have been certified as para-extension workers. The event will be attended by Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, Governor Anandiben Patil, Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan and several state ministers. According to Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, farmers will join the event including those at 732 Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVKs, over 1 lakh primary agricultural cooperative societies and 5 lakh common service centers across the country. On the 50 selected Krishi Vikas Kendras, special event is being organized where good number of farmers will join the event. On these centers, several union ministers will also visit and interact with the farmers. The farmers will also be sensitized about the good agricultural practices, new emerging technologies in the agricultural field, practicing climate resilient agriculture and etc. They will also be educated how to check their PM Kisan beneficiary status, payment status, how to use Kisan e-Mitra chatbot, etc. After the Kisan Sammelan, PM Modi attended the Grand Ganga Aarti at Varanasi's Dashashwamedha Ghat. Following that, he visited the Baba Kashi Vishwanath temple, symbolizing his spiritual connection with Varanasi. Now let's talk about how you can find out your PM Kisan payment status. You can learn about your 17th installment through some simple steps. Step 1. To visit pmkisan.gov.in. Step 2. Select the beneficiary status option under the Farmers Corner section on the homepage. Step 3. Enter the registered Aadhaar number or bank account number. Step 4. Click on Get Data to display the status of the installment. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have registered under this scheme, do let us know if you have received your installment or not. For any doubts or related queries, please comment down below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Krishi Jagran Business for more updates.